Recipients and Recipient Users. Recipients features are designed to help you manage external partners, such as distributors or wholesalers, who need access to your product data. These partners can receive updates through exported files, dedicated links, or user accounts. Let's start by creating a recipient. Each recipient needs a unique alphanumeric identifier and a name. You can also enter optional details like VAT ID, address, logo, and email addresses for contact purposes or to receive system notifications via the mailing list field. Once your recipient is defined, you can generate personalized product data exports called catalogs, for example in xChange or BMEcat format, with separate version numbering for each recipient. Catalog versioning rules are configured on the Configuration tab under the Catalogs option. You can define custom numbering schemes, such as an internal change tracking system or one that aligns with the recipient's expectations. Let's go ahead and define a catalog name and versioning method for our recipient PIR. Once the recipient, catalog name, and versioning are in place, you're ready to generate a product data file. These files include recipient details and versioning info in their headers. Simply select the recipient during the export process. You can also narrow the exported data using filters or select an older version of ETIM or xChange to match the recipient's required format. The same applies to BMEcat exports, where you'll also choose a catalog versioning scheme. The recipient information is included in the BMEcat file header, as is the case with xChange. However, the export to Excel does not contain any data about the recipient or the version, so these options are not available when exporting to Excel. Another useful feature in ETIM-Mapper is the ability to create recipient users, individuals who can access product data directly, typically in read-only mode, for products that have been approved for external publication. Before you begin, make sure your account has the proper permissions. You can check this under Settings tab, then Permissions, Administration and Recipients Users. With the right permissions, you can create users for specific recipients. These users can only see published products and can't make changes. Let's create a user for one of our recipients. This is done on the Administration tab under the Management option. Choose the relevant recipient, then assign a username, password, and an email address for password recovery. The recipient user is now created. At any time, you can edit the user using the pencil icon, temporarily deactivate the account, or use the impersonation feature, key icon, to see exactly what the user will see, helping you verify the recipient's view of the product data. Let's log in using the new recipient credentials. We can see all available products. However, when opening a product, you'll notice that everything is read-only. Editing is not allowed. By using recipients, you can generate tailored product data exports with individual versioning per partner. And with recipient users, you can provide secure, read-only access to your product data, either through the GUI or API, ensuring external partners always have the most up-to-date information in a controlled way.